Okay, so now we're in the All Students Take Classes station. This is what we went over yesterday. In case you missed it, what you're going to do, you're going to have to find sine of x when you know what cosine of x is equal to. So eventually we need to find sine of x. Now going back to geometry, I can figure out this angle, x right here, by taking the inverse cosine of 0.8. So we just take the inverse cosine of 0.8 and that will tell me what x is. Go over to our calculator, you go second cosine 0.8. That takes the inverse cosine of 0.8. I got 36.87. So we'll say x is 36.87-ish. Now I know what x is, so I plug in that, and I can just plug in sine of 36.87. Sine of 36.87. So my answer ends up being 0.6. 0.6, around that. And then this last part, from 0 to pi over 2, that just tells me what quadrant I'm in. So from 0 to pi over 2 would be this quadrant right here, the all quadrant. All meaning all of my trig functions are positive. So I'm saying sine is equal to a positive number. I'm okay, it doesn't affect anything. Well, the next one's going to affect something. So the next one we got here, we know sine of x is equal to negative 0.5. So I'm going to find x by taking the inverse sine of negative 0.5. We go second sine, we go negative 0.5. I got negative 30, so x is equal to negative 30 degrees. Then we're going to plug that into cosine of x. So cosine of x is now equal to cosine of negative 30. And then we end up getting, let's see what we get. Cosine of negative 30. I got 0.87, or around the 0.87.
2.
Sorry about that interruption. Where was I? Now we're looking at this range from pi to 3 pi over 2. So that means I'm in the third quadrant over here, the take quadrant. Take meaning only tangent is positive. So I have cosine here being a positive number. So all you have to do is simply change this to be a negative number, and then you're done. And that's all she wrote.